Good morning, everyone. We are Pitatus crew and we're gonna present about Pitatus crater. Pitatus is a lunar impact crater that spans 97 kilometers. It has a low central peak located in the northwest of the crater center. In the western area, we can appreciate multiple thin groups called Rimae Pitatus. There are more than 20 craterlets surrounding Pitatus. Here we have an image of the side view and an image of Pitatus crater. Next, please. Then here you can see the coordinates and a map of Pitatus and the surrounding craters and craterlets.
Well, now let's talk about some advantages and disadvantages of Pitatus crater. One of the advantages is that it is located in the near side of the moon, which means it's always looking towards Earth. This gives us a great advantage as considering the communications to Earth and from Earth to the moon. Another advantage is that it is a floor fracture crater, and this gives us the opportunity to learn more about these types of moon craters. The energy required to send objects from Earth is another advantage because it's less than that required for other celestial bodies. The delay in a round-trip communication between the Earth and the Moon is less than 3 seconds. And finally, the radio signals from the Earth to the Moon takes 1.33 seconds. Next, please. Now, a disadvantage is that it is not always visible from Earth because of the lunar phases. This is something to consider and to have in mind when creating the communications protocol.
Another disadvantage is the absence of an atmosphere increase the chance of meteorite impact on the colony. Also, the absence of atmosphere will also make it difficult to cool the machinery since vacuum is the best thermal insulator. The surface of the moon is largely made of a highly abrasive glacis, thus called regolith, and this material adheres to everything and can damage equipment and be harmful to health. Also, the internal air pressurization at the same time low pressures increase in the first hazard, and temperatures on the lunar surface rapidly change from approximately 100 to 115 grades centigrade in the transition between day and night, which occurs in roughly 2-week cycles.
Now, talking about the base camp, a prime consideration in the design is that the structure must be able to shield against the types of hazards found on the lunar surface. It is assumed that the actual habitat pressure would be around 69 kilopascals. The enclosure structure must contain this pressure and must be designed to be fail-safe against catastrophic and other decompression. There are two kinds of incoming radiation in the lunar surface: electromagnetic radiation and ionizing radiation. It appears that at least 2.5 meters of regolith could cover the requirements to keep the annual dose of radiation at 5 rem, which is the allowable level of radiation for workers. In addition, it greatly reduces the effects of the extreme temperature cycles. Properties of lunar construction materials should include height strength, ductability, durability, stiffness, and tear and puncture resistance, together with low thermal expansion. The stability of these mechanical properties and low leakage are important.
Also, well, the main objective is to design a technical communication system that is considered efficient and fast with the Earth, Mars, and also the Moon.
Thank you very much.